In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add prepaid funds to Facebook Ads Manager 5 minutes. Prepaid funds let you top up your ad account in advance so your campaigns spend from a balance you control. It's great for teams that want tighter budget limits or need to pre-approve spend. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open your browser, search for Facebook Ads Manager, and click Go to Ads Manager. Sign in with your account credentials and complete any security checks if prompted. If you manage more than one business or ad account, make sure you select the correct account before proceeding. You should land on the campaign's dashboard. Next, look for billing and payments. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left sidebar or under the menu. Click it, then open payment settings. Before adding funds, you'll need at least one valid payment method on file. Click Add Payment Method, and you'll see the options available in your country, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or a local payment solution. Choose the method you want, click Next, and enter the required details carefully. Double check your billing address and currency. When you're done, click Save to add the method to your account. Now you're ready to add prepaid funds. In Payment Settings, click Add Funds. Enter the amount you want to load into your balance. Pick the payment method you just added, then click Next. If Facebook asks for additional details for verification or billing, fill those in, review for accuracy, and click Save or Confirm to complete the top-up. After a moment, your balance should update. Your ads will spend against this prepaid amount until it runs out, and then your campaigns may pause unless you add more funds. You can always return to billing and payments to view payment activity, download receipts, and track previous top-ups for your records. If you don't see the add funds option, your account may be set to postpaid billing. Availability can vary by country and account type, so check your account settings or contact support if needed. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your primary payment method current to avoid declined top-ups, monitor your balance regularly, especially during active campaigns, and set reminders to reload before major launches. If you manage multiple ad accounts, confirm you're topping up the right one to avoid confusion. That's it. You've added a payment method and loaded prepaid funds into Facebook Ads Manager, giving you precise control over your advertising budget.